To remove an image background for free using a one-click AI tool in HD quality, start by opening the Google Play Store or the iPhone App Store. Search for Microsoft Designer and install the app, then open it. The free Background Remover app allows you to create AI-generated images as well. To erase the background, scroll to the left in the top options and select the Design from Scratch feature. Choose any canvas size. For instance, I opted for a square design. Tap on the Add Image option and select your photo from your mobile gallery for background removal, such as this one to eliminate the logo background. Now the photo is added to Microsoft Designer, so tap the back button at the top, then press the large plus button at the bottom. Hit the Remove Background option. Tap on your photo and hit the Remove Background option. Success! The background is now erased. You can select the image and use the buttons to share or download it in HD quality. Plus, you can further enhance it by adding text over the image. As I drag the photo, you can see the logo background disappear, resulting in a transparent image. I also tested the free tool using another image from its free library. Simply tapping on the background makes the person's photo transparent within seconds. To download it, just tap the share button at the top. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to Dozro channel and check out my other tutorials as well.